Hey guys, back with me again at the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the vibrant coloring tutorial for your anime edit. So here I have already add my anime video, and you can just go to adjust and use these settings. So for the brightness, you can lower it to -10 and contrast increase it to 15. Then click on saturation and increase it to 30. Then go to exposure and increase it to 12. Sharpen 100. Then the last setting is go to highlight and increase it to 40. Okay, and then you'll have that vibrant look for your anime edit. So here is the final result. I hope this will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.